What is the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet is an ultra-low-carb, high-fat diet, and Atkins weight loss method. Unlike other low-carb weight loss, its fat intake ratio is very high, the intake of carbon water is strictly controlled, and the appropriate amount of protein. The main principle of the ketogenic diet is to replace carbohydrates with fat. After the body consumes glucose, it slowly begins to burn fat, to supply energy to the body, and the body will slowly enter a state of ketosis. Finally, let the body enter a state of high-speed fat burning. When the body enters the ketogenic state, the ketone bodies produced can supply energy to the body as well as to the brain. Your energy is better, your state is better, your concentration is more concentrated, and your brain functioning ability is fully upgraded. The ketogenic diet can also quickly lower blood sugar and stabilize blood sugar. The body produces ketones, and there are many other health benefits. Waiting for me to tell you later, Tilda.